Want this? Let's start editing. Here are the clip's durations. On the first clip, add the text Baby Monster. Use any font. Mine is Poppins. Now select the letter T and change to 7. And under Styles, select the number 7 and change the color to red. Add animation in. Wipe in LR for 1.6s. And add animation out. Blur erase right for 1.4s. At the end of the clip, add the text Love in My Heart. Then select any template like this. And place the text under the last 2 clips. Remove the music for a while and export the project. Go back to the project and tap Undo to bring back the music. Add the exported project. Remove the intro or the first part of the added project. And that's it. Export the project. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to support the channel and help others discover this content.